Now, moving forward, what we are making here is at first I thought it's your moon, but it is not. You think it's a boat, yeah. Is it? It is. It is. It's not. How confused I am. Okay, so it's not your boat or it is your boat. Well, we'll just fill the colors. It was a boat, yeah. Damn it. Sorry. Okay. Now, moving forward, we are making your elephant uncle. Okay, these are very cute animals, yeah, trust me, because they don't really care about anything. They are just like in their own lives. So the next thing we are drawing here is your cactus, and you can fill it with your favorite mandala design, and there are a lot of them. So you can just choose your desired pen and then start filling them with the help of your pen only. And this is like a cactus house. You can go inside and reside in them, and your colors are there. Now if you are out of your paper or your colors, go and take them while we are here waiting for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Now moving forward, what we are making here is, it looks like earth, and it is earth. Yeah, it is. It's our mother home planet earth, and we are making buildings here. Okay, as we have already made earth a lot of. Oh, so your rocket is going on. So it's basically like a normal typical day. Okay, so it's totally different once we draw the UFO here. It's not a normal day. Okay,